Hi guys, thanks for checking out our new arrived stocked, the Haval Ora. My name's Morgan. I'll take you on a quick walk around video on what features the Ora has. Now this one is the extended range, so the next one up from the standard. So instead of the 310 range, you do get 420. So in the front there you do have a fitted out front camera with really cool circled Ora LED lights. Down on the side there you do get fitted out with 18-inch chrome alloy wheels, and then you've got your electric plug socket in there. So it is fully electric vehicle with a white roof, and coming through the back you just have a manual lift tailgate with a reverse camera. All your boot space is in here, and then under the compartment you have some plug-in points for your charging and tyre puncture repair kit. A small privacy screen which you can remove. And coming through the back of the vehicle you do have Comfort Tech leather seats, so really nice space for the little Haval. Pull down, you've got armrests and cup holders, and in the middle you just have a USB port to plug in. The cool thing about the Ora, you just get into it. There is no push button start. It is all on standby when you get into the vehicle. So some of the features, you have automatic windows, and you can turn off the vehicle mode here if you wanted to take it off standby. It does have a driver monitoring system, so your distraction warning and fatigue warning. And then you have a really nice outlay of the two screens. So you've got your speedo all along there, and it's got your range down the bottom on the left hand side. Then on your entertainment screen you've got features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is all plug-in point down the bottom. But you have some power assist features for your electric engine, so it does tell you how much charge is left in the battery. And then you have your normal, so radio, music, and heating and cooling adjustments, so that's all in there for you. You have some quick touch buttons, so the air conditioning, demisters, and the fan on and off. And it all comes with a twist style gear shift with your electric handbrake, and does have another wireless charging port just up here above the console. Does have adaptive cruise and lane keep assist, but also you have a camera system, so it does come with a reverse camera and 360, and it comes with a front camera as well. So if you have any more inquiries on the vehicle, you just need to call 5173 3888 to ask more about the Haval Ora.